Years, Catholics around the world have learned that some of their beloved parish priests are accused of sexual misconduct. Today, Archbishop George Lucas says it's a problem in Omaha too. And sadly, shockingly, it has been for years.
It's not possible to give a simple answer to the questions of how and why.
That's Archbishop Lucas. He didn't answer questions. He just released this video statement. He told Catholics he's sorry for the clergy's sexual misconduct, and he prays for healing of those involved. But the news of dozens of clergy committing sexual abuse has Omaha area Catholics asking questions that Archbishop Lucas is not answering.
Well, I think people are already shaken. I really do think that people are discouraged, they're angry, they're confused, and there's a certain level of cynicism that's setting in, particularly with young people.
Aline Burke-Sullivan teaches theology at Creighton. She is deeply embedded in the Catholic community. She says the church needs to reach out to every parishioner in the Archdiocese in order to heal.
Many voices need to be brought in. Will that solve everything? No, because this is about crime and corruption and sin, which creeps into the human experience. So we have to be watchful. We have to be on guard, as it were.
Pope Francis and the rest of the church will have a chance to make changes next year. The Pope is already planning a conference of top bishops. And yes, Omaha native Chicago Archbishop Blaise Cupich will be leading it. They're supposed to figure out how to deal with these sexual abuse scandals. What could come out of the meetings is more transparency, something the church and the Archdiocese and virtually every other large organization have not done in the past and aren't doing now.
Organizations try to protect themselves and their structure by not coming forward with those allegations, mainly because the perception is that the damage will be greater if I disclose, whereas there's the potential that people will not find out, and we could get away with it.
Now, there is potential even more names will continue to drop. Archbishop Lucas asked anybody that was abused to come forward to police and the Archdiocese.